There's what a lot of people here. Whatever the mind hides, the body somatizes. Whatever the brain never encodes, whatever traumatic memory the brain fails to appropriately integrate, the body somatizes. It goes through the somatic nervous system to find expression. Remember, emotion is energy. Emotion, energy, motion. If you don't express it, it is recycled and it finds expression somewhere else. Now, when it comes to traumatic memory and its fragmentation, the best way to understand it is that the psyche protects you from being overrun by your traumatic emotions. So it fragments the memories. And some of the memories are now organized at the somatic level, at the sensory level, not at the cognitive or cerebral level. And whatever is outside of the jurisdiction of the cognitive brain when it comes to emotionality, negative emotions, can't be reorganized, can't be reintegrated, can't be re-edited. So, sensorily, if you store traumatic memories at the sensory level, those traumatic memories remain fresh for a long time, and they're the ones that trigger you. Two things very important to deal with the fragmentations of the traumatic memories at the non-verbal level. Whatever you know you remember, whatever you can remember in terms of the past stressful emotions, try to journal, start to journal them. It is by reducing the reservoir of your emotional content that you have the greater resilience to even deal with the ones that you don't know. So journaling or co-regulation, see a therapist, somebody safe coming with you to help you regulate. Number 2 is to move mindfully. Movement is energy. Trauma induces frozenness and rigidity. Recovery lies in mindful movement. Think about somatic exercises that you love or you can do. Do them regularly for at least 6 months. It starts to increase greater capacity for resilience, greater capacity for social engagement capacity, in being able to connect to your world at a deeper level. And while allowed, think about that. If the brain doesn't encode any traumatic emotions, the body somatizes. Think about it.